Relationship attachment styles were theorized by John Bowlby as a concept that focuses on relationships and bonds. Attachment styles characterizes the way people relate to others in the context of intimate relationships, which is heavily influenced by self-worth and interpersonal trust. One factor that can shape our relationships is our attachment style. Attachment theory suggests that our childhood experiences with caregivers influence our expectations and behaviors in adult relationships. These attachment styles can be categorized as secure, anxious preoccupied, dismissive avoidant, or fearful avoidant. Secure attachment style is when an individual tends to have positive expectations about relationships, feels comfortable with intimacy and closeness, and are able to regulate their emotions in relationships. Anxious preoccupied attachment style is when an individual tends to have high need for closeness and intimacy but worry about abandonment and rejection. They may be overly dependent on their partner for validation and reassurance. Dismissive avoidant attachment style is when individuals tend to value their independence, prefer distance and self-sufficiency in relationships, and are uncomfortable expressing emotions or seeking support from others. Fearful avoidant is when individuals tend to have conflicting desires for closeness and independence in relationships. They may avoid intimacy due to fear of rejection or abandonment, but also feel lonely when alone. To help you better understand your patient's attachment styles, you can use a relationship attachment style test. This assessment can provide insights into how your patients approach and respond to relationships, including their communication style, emotional regulation, and ability to trust and depend on others. Anyone can use our relationship attachment style test, as well as therapists and counselors, psychologists and psychiatrists, relationship coaches, and researchers. To use our relationship attachment style test, follow these steps. Download our free relationship attachment style test from our Carepatron website. Make sure your patient understands each statement clearly, and have them respond with the answer they think best fits the statement for them. Here is an example of a statement from our test. At the end of each section, collect the total score of your response, and at the end of the test, add all the scores. This will show the result of whether your attachment style is secure, anxious preoccupied, dismissive avoidant, or fearful avoidant. Here is a sample of our relationship attachment style test that has been filled out, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. You can find our relationship attachment style test on our Carepatron platform. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.